Today's show is sponsored by Liberty Place. Liberty Place's address is 2633 Grant Line Road, New Albany.
Good morning, I'm Kaulen, and this is your PHS News Today for Wednesday, February 12th. Juniors and seniors taking iStep this week, please remember to bring your Chromebook each day charged and ready to test. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. Anyone wanting to purchase a Drama Club t-shirt needs to get $15 to Mrs. Wishart, and all Drama Club members need to remember to check their email. Hosta will be selling Pizza Hut cheese and pepperoni pizza during all lunches Friday, February 14th. The cost will be $2 a slice or $16 for a whole pizza. Delicious ice cream sundaes will be for sale on Valentine's Day. Pick up your sweet treat for yourself on Valentine's Day. Monday, the Robotics Club will be selling Valentine's Day gifts at lunch. Jag will be selling hugs and kisses and other candies February 10th through the 13th during all three lunches. Items will be passed out 7th period on Friday. Drama Club will be selling cartons for $2 for Valentine's Day orders. Will be taken out lunch Monday through Thursday. Rams Unified will be selling chips and drinks this Friday during all lunches. Drinks for $2 and chips for $1, or a combo for $2.75. And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Colin. Checking out the weather today, we will most likely see rain all throughout your day and the rest of your week. Today we'll have a high of 49 and a low of 42. And tomorrow we'll have a high of 59 and a low of 33. And then on Friday we'll see the temperatures drop with a high of 37 and a low of 19. Back to you.
I'm Colin, that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.